Our mission is to improve prosthetic feet, prosthetic devices for the lower limbs, more specifically for amputees, in order to bring them better quality of life. And we do this by developing new bionic technologies. The grant part of the project is extremely valuable because for companies like ours, it is very difficult to develop this type of technologies. The development timelines are extremely long. Just to give an example, we are doing this now for more than 12, 13 years, from research to TRL levels 4 to 6. It took another 2-3 years and then we got the EIC Accelerator grant in order to advance from this TRL 6 to 8, which took us more than 2 years again. Without this kind of funding, I don't think that European companies can actually do this. Then the equity part is also extremely important, because it's good to develop a good technology, but then afterwards you need to have the necessary funding in order to get to the commercial efforts, and that can also be quite a challenge, especially in a field like ours where we need a lot of field salespeople, where you have to go globally.